Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Ko-Fi email verification problems. If you're not receiving the verification email, the link isn't working, or your account is stuck on verification, don't worry. These are common issues, and there are several simple fixes you can try step by step in 2026. First, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes Ko-Fi emails end up there by mistake, especially if you're using a new account or email provider. Next, wait a few minutes and refresh your inbox. I mean, sometimes the verification email is just delayed due to server load or network delays. Now go back to Ko-Fi and click the Resend Email option. This will send a new verification link to your inbox, which often fixes the issue immediately. Next, double-check that you entered the correct email address. Even a small typo can prevent the verification email from reaching you. Now check your email filters or rules. I mean, some filters might automatically archive or block messages from Ko-Fi without you noticing. If the verification link still doesn't work, try opening it in another browser or device. Sometimes browser issues can prevent the verification page from loading properly. If nothing works, reach out to Ko-Fi support for help. They can manually check your account and help you complete the verification process. And that's basically it. Those are the best ways to fix Ko-Fi email verification problems in 2026. Hopefully one of these solutions helped you get your account verified. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.